welcome back to this platform, Prince TV. If today is your first time, all you have to do for me is to subscribe to the platform. You subscribe, that means that anytime I upload my video, you go be the first person when go notify know what this video be now. So alright, in this particular video, we are going to talk about the Reddito di Magenta of the new formats which the Mario Draghi government have already approved in the support decree. Now I'm going to deal with the Reddito di Magenta. So guys, you are going to open your ear down and see those ones who are to go and apply for the Reddito di Magenta so that you guys can see. Because now they have already brought out another 4 months of Reddito di Magenta. So guys, listen to how you can go and apply for these new 4 months of Reddito di Magenta. What the government have stated so far, how to go about it, you will get it in this particular video. So do me a favor by hitting the like button, because I try my possible best to make sure I tackle this article for you guys to know that you know the way to go and apply for the new 4 months of the Reddito di Magenta, because there have been a lot of questions on my WhatsApp. So without wasting time, more kicking inside, more see how it happens. Alright, listen to the article as it was being stated. He said here, emergency income, new, 4 months salary and new requirements with the sustaining bills decree. Now let's go a little bit forward. He said here, emergency income, 4 months salary arrive until September with the sustaining bills decree approved by the Council of Ministers and with a new requirements. Now let's go a little bit forward here. He said here, the emergency income for new monthly payments with new requirements coming with the sustaining bills decree approved by the Council of Ministers. The text introduce a new requirement, or rather changes it with respect to the previous provisions. Now let's see if there is a new changes or if there is a new requirement required by people who have to go and apply for this new 4 months of Reddito di Magenta. Alright, listen. He said here, the previous draft text of the sustaining bills decree with aid to businesses provided for 2 months of emergency income also extended for former NASP recipients. Now let me explain this place. You know, the first draft which the government already made down for this extension of Reddito di Magenta was 2 months, but now they have make it and then concluded that it's going to be for 4 months. You understand? And that of the NASP which they are stating here, those people who were onto disoccupation, the first draft they were stating that they are still going to extend the disoccupation payment time. For example, if you are working and then your contract gets finished, you ask for disoccupation, and then him states that you have to receive disoccupation for like 6 months, 3 months, it depends on how long you have paid tax. And then in the first draft, they were thinking that they will extend for those ones who their own is to expired. But now, in the new draft which they approved, they did not include this particular extension of NASP. This is what they are stating here. Let's go a little bit forward. Alright, listen. He said here, there are now 4 months of emergency income to cover families until September, and which are added for 2021 to the first 3 introduced by the sustaining decree number 41 of March 2021, as you guys already know already. Alright, now let's go a little bit forward. He said here, emergency income, 4 months in the sustaining bills decree. The emergency income is introduced for a further 4 months with the sustaining bills decree, or the enterprises decree. This is what they are calling it. He said, at the moment, although the text has already been approved, it is a draft. Therefore, the text is awaited in the official Gazette. So now like this, the Mario Draghi government, though they have already approved the law, the decree, but they are still waiting to kind of like slot it in to the official Gazette of Italia. This is what they stated in this part. Meaning that now, if they add it to the official Gazette, if there's still a changes, we got to know. You understand? Now let's go forward on how people can go and apply for this Ready-to Emergenza of the new 4 months payment. He said here, in additional 4 shares of emergency income are recognized on request for June, July, August, and September. These are the months of this 4 months payment of this new Ready-to Emergenza. Alright, he said here, once again, as per Article 12 of the March Sustaining Decree, the emergency income ranges from a maximum of 400 euro to a maximum of 800 euro, 840 euro if there is a disabled person. Like you guys know, or as you guys know already, that there is a equivalent scale of this Ready-to Emergenza. As you know already, that a single person have to receive 400. People with families, depending on the number of children you are having, have to receive a different type of amount. While people with disability, with families, they will still receive the highest amount, which is the 840 euro. Now let's go a little bit forward here. He said, emergency income, new requirements. Now, let's see the new requirement which is required by the decree approved already in order for people to receive this 4 months payment of the Ready-to Emergenza. He said here, the requirements for the new 4 months of emergency income of the Sustaining Bills Decree are the same as those provided for in the Sustaining 1 Decree. However, the former recipients of NASP do not appear. As I explained before, you know, the first drafts they already made, they were thinking on how to extend the payment of those ones who are onto the Disoccupazione. I explained already. Now, they are still stating that the way you applied before for the Ready-to Emergenza, that is the same way you have to go and apply for this new 4 months of the Ready-to Emergenza. Now, let's go and see when people can start applying for the Ready-to Emergenza. Now, let's see the requirements to apply for the new 4 months of the Ready-to Emergenza. He said here, the requirements are residents in Italy. That is the first thing. Then second, he said, movable assets of less than 10,000 euros referring to the year 2020. This threshold is increased by the further 5,000 euros for each member of the family unit other than the applicant, up to a maximum of 20,000 euro. It said the affirmation selling is increased by 5,000 euro in the event of the presence in the family unit of member with a serious disability, non-self-sufficiency. You understand? Now let's go to the next one again. He said, is that not exceeding 15,000 euro? As you guys know already. In fact, everything based on the way you applied before. Now listen to this part here. He said, the application to obtain the emergency income must be sent to IMSS by 31st July 2021. But we know that this deadline could be changed at a later time, as it already happened for the first 3 months. You guys know that when they do the first one, they try to kind of like prolong the payment. That is the application date of the Ready-to Emergenza, the first one. So now they have stated that everybody have time starting from now till on the 31st of July 2021 to go and request for the new month's payment of the Ready-to Emergenza. For the new 4 months of the Ready-to Emergenza, you have to go and apply for now till 31st. But alongside, they stated that there might still be extension for the application date. If they see how people are applying, that depends on how they are going to make the extension. And now let's take note here that the first one, the people who applied first were the people who are receiving the money first. So guys, it is good for you to now go and then apply again the way you applied before for the Ready-to Emergenza, so that you will be intact, waiting for the money and the payment, which they will still bring article as time goes on how and then when people have to get paid for the Ready-to Emergenza of the new 4 months payment. So guys, this is what the government have stated so far, and I wish you guys to know all these things. So guys, this is what they have stated so far about the new 4 months of the Ready-to Emergenza. Watch this video and then go and apply. Earlier the better. If you apply now, then it will be say you don't day in that. So that is just the information of the Ready-to Emergenza in particularly. As time goes on now, we'll be bringing the rest updates of the support decree, the benefits of the support decree, those important ones which people have to kind of like receive. I will bringing them short by short. I'll try my possible best to bring all these things. My problem is that I don't have time. Time is my problem. 24 hours, you know, they reach the use again, like as I told you before. So that is just it. Until we finish this topic of payment of bonuses, that is when we'll go back to our standing news again to give you an update. What did they happen corner for the Italy? People be like say that they mix up, and I'm gonna get those updates. And I know how Prince TV they operate. We work in different angles. You understand? So that is just it. Subscribe. Make sure you put on your notification bell because there are still many updates I'll be still bringing for you guys to still see what are in the support decree, so that people who are to benefit from it, they can go and get the beneficiary of the government they have put in place. Till next time again, we'll be together. Ciao.